Hi, myself Vishwadeep Misra, uh, pursuing Masters in Optometry from MIT University, Gurgaon. Through this video, I am going to discussing with the patient who have willing to contact lenses first time. So I have done your ocular examination and refraction also. I found that our ocular media is clear, and refraction have done that found at 0.75 minus 0.75 diopter in both eye. So you have two options. You can choose spectacle, you can choose contact lens. You were telling that you want to wear contact lens. So what you want to know about contact lens?
I am first time wearer of contact lenses, so I have no idea about it. You can explain it?
Okay, we have two options of the contact lenses.
Yeah.
One is daily wear contact lens and second is extended wear contact lens.
Sure.
And daily wear contact lens have many options like daily disposable lenses, 2 weekly or bi-weekly disposable lenses,
Yeah.
monthly disposable lenses, and quarterly disposable lenses. And second is extended wear contact lenses, also called overnight wear lenses. One day disposable lenses is that once you pop out a one pair of lenses in the morning and throw it in the evening, there is no need for storage and cleaning,
Okay.
so its benefit. And second is weekly disposable lenses, bi-weekly disposable lenses. Bi-weekly disposable lenses is here for the 2 week wear, one pair and then dispose it and choose and then select the second pair.
Okay.
And in this case you have need to clean and storage. And other option is monthly disposable lenses. Monthly disposable lenses is one wear 1 month, after that you can dispose it. In this case also need cleaning and storage. This is suitable for people who want to wear 5 or more days a week. And next is extended wear lenses, extended wear or overnight wear lenses. Overnight extended wear lenses is you can wear this lens 6 night and 7 days continuously, and also you can kept on eye even you are going to sleep.
Okay.
And other advantage it you can use these lenses 30 days continuously.
Okay. Which type of contact lenses is suitable for me, as I have not much time to clean and storage?
Okay, as you told that you have not much time to clean and storage of contact lenses, so according to me you should try to daily disposable lenses.
Okay.
Daily disposable lenses have no issue for cleaning and storage. And in the morning you pop a new lens in the morning and then it dispose in the evening. And other advantage of the daily disposable lenses is that it is manufacturing as a thin lenses and comfortable for your eye, so there is no infection chances also. So daily disposable lenses is suitable for you as you have limited time and have the workload.
Yeah. Oh, sure. You can tell me about the prices and brands of daily disposable lenses?
Okay. Daily disposable lenses brand and price varies.
Okay.
Means price varies brand to brand.
Okay.
I am showing some contact lenses price with brand.
Okay.
Like daily Aqua Comfort lenses plus 30 lenses per box, and price is 1600 only.
Okay.
Focus daily is 30 lenses per box and price is 990. Fresh Look one day 10 lens per box and price is 900 only. And Silicone daily disposable 30 lenses per box and price is 1800 only. And company brand is Bosam and Lom. Soft lenses 30 lenses per box and price is 1275 only, in which you can choose any.
Oh, first look is costly, but I want to choose Silicon Daily disposable lenses.
Okay, fine. So at Silicon Daily disposable lenses.
Yeah.
Okay, I will teach you how you insert the contact lens,
Oh.
how you can remove the contact lens, how is dose and how is don't, what is the advantage and what is the disadvantage.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanna know.